Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can convert your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets into a PDF document. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I converted this table here into PDF document. You can open via Adobe, for example, and it works without an external file converter, right? So you can do this here within Google Sheets, provided your Google Sheets version is up to date, which I assume it is. So that's the case. You will see this button inside your document, convert to PDF. And all you will need to do is, navigate to the sheet. So let me do this with another example, this one here, with that graph, click into convert to PDF and then set the scale, for example, fit all columns on one page or all rows or everything on one page. It would look like this. Set the page orientation, portrait or landscape. I think landscape fits better in this case here. And confirm by clicking into convert to PDF. Wait for the converting to be finished. It may take a moment depending on the file size or document size, and then you will see the progress here at the top. And that's it. It's a little bit small, so you will need to zoom in this case here. But yeah, that's basically that document here, right? So that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.